I finished my first semester at the University of Texas at Dallas. As a computer science major, I finished with a 1.8 GPA. Everything in my life up to this point had led to this one and only path, or so I thought. I spent years of my life preparing for this one and only moment. I spent high school taking Java. In community college, I took C. In 2017, I arrived at this very school to learn my first programming language, C++. The semester proved to be mentally excruciating, and there was no part of the process I actually enjoyed. I finished the semester, but I ended up taking a break to reevaluate my life decisions. The gap, or as I like to call it, the enlightening, was the best decision I had ever made up to this point. You might be wondering, what was the second best? Well, it was talking to the fantastic people at PMG. Once I was back from the enlightening, I took my first marketing class at community college. And well, the rest is history. This year, I'm expected to graduate with honors in marketing. And so, today I would like to thank Mark, Ting, Josh, Alan, Lauren, Kat. They are the ones from PMG that inspired me to create this video. This is my cover letter.